In this video, I'll be showing you how to use OpenCode inside of VsCode. We're going to install OpenCode inside of VsCode and we are going to use it as an IDE. So the first thing you need to do is to, of course, come to VsCode, open VsCode on your computer. And then I want to open a new folder. So I'm going to come and click on open folder. I can just create a new folder and just say test folder. I'll click on create and then I'll open that. So it opens this. I'll say, yes, I trust this. I'll delete this. And this way, I don't want to build with these agents for now. I'll just close this. I want to come to this side and I'll click on this. You see extensions here, click on that. And you may have extensions installed. You may not have them, I don't know. You can also use this MCP, GitHub MCP, but we want to search for OpenCode. And when you search that, the first result, this one that has 171,000 installs, this is what we want to use. Just click on install. It may take a little bit of time. I'll click on yes, trust publisher. And when it's installed, we're going to see it here. So it is now installed and we can see it. This is the installation here. Now, if I click on, let's say, new file or new window, let's open a new window. I can see OpenCode here. So I can just click on this and you're going to see I have OpenCode here. I'll just come back here first of all, click. I want to search for OpenCode again. And then I'll click and then it opens it here immediately. I'll click on allow. I can just close it. So I can start using it directly from here. You can ask it any prompt and you can choose your model. That's the first way to do the installation. The second way to do the installation, I'll just terminate this for now. And I want to come to my terminal. Simply come up here, click on this third option here, and it's going to toggle this on. And what we want to do is, I want to go back to my browser and simply go to OpenCode.ai. It opens this particular OpenCode screen and click on npm and just copy this. We'll come back to VsCode and I want to run this here. OpenCode.ai is going to go ahead and install OpenCode via terminal. I'll just drag this up a little bit. So it is installed, and then to get it running, simply run OpenCode. And you're going to see the OpenCode terminal here. So this is OpenCode. Now what can we do? The first thing is that you can toggle between build and planning. Just click on tab. You see when I click on tab, it's going to change to plan. So if I write in anything right now, what it's going to do is going to give me an iteration. It's going to give me a plan of action, but it's not going to build anything. Also, you can choose between the models. Just click on / model, or is it / I think, / model, and you can choose. I'll click on enter. So these are the free options. You have Kimike, which is what I've been using. You have Minimax. You have Claude. Of course, all those ones are not free. You have Trinity Large Preview. You have Big Pico. Let's just go with Big Pico for now because it's free. And then I will toggle to the build. I want to give it a prompt to build me the landing page for a law firm. I'll say build a high-end landing, or let's just say one page website for a law firm based in Park Avenue, New York. And then I'll click on that. When it builds, it's going to build and it's going to give us the link to check it out. So I'm just going to pause the video for now, and when it's done, I'll come back to you. So VsCode has gone ahead and done its thing, and it tells me if I want to see this website, I should go to HTML, index.html.com. I can also tell it that I want to see it open the website in localhost. And if I do that, it should now give me a localhost link, which I can use to open this website. But I could also go to index.html. Now, for me to be able to do this to open on localhost, I'll need to install Python, especially Python 3.13.7. I may not want to do that right now. So I can simply go to localhost. Okay, it's giving me the server, HTTPS local server. So localhost 8000. If it doesn't open, then I'll go and open the HTML code. So I've opened the localhost on port 8000, and this is what it gives me. You can see this is a very, very nice looking website. You can supply it more images. You can give it images for James Harrison, Sarah Mitchell, Robert Chen, Elizabeth Warrington, and all of that. And it's going to change them here. But in general, this is the website. So it gives me this website using just one prompt. You can go ahead and export this website and upload it maybe on a platform like Versa and connect your own domain name. You will not be paying anything for hosting. So in a nutshell, that's how to use VsCode and OpenCode together. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I put out videos like this on a weekly basis. And like this video and subscribe. God bless you. Peace.